The Indian Air Force has sent 5 MiG-29 UPG standard fighter jets to exercise Eastern Bridge in Oman, that will give them the much-needed exposure to the F-16 Block 50 operated by the Royal Air Force of Oman. The Indian MiG-29 UPG and F-16 Block 52 are technically at the same level, and after the Su-30, both Mirage 2000 and MiG-29 UPG are the most feared fighter jets by the Pakistan's F-16 crew. During the aerial engagement on 27 February, 2 Pakistani F-16 fired 5 AMRAAMs at an Indian Su-30, but the 2 F-16 immediately turned back from the scene of action, after they saw a pair of upgraded MiG-29 UPG moving towards them at supersonic speeds. 60 MiG-29 fighter jets have already been converted to the latest UPG standard, while remaining 2 fighter jets are undergoing upgrade at 11 Base Repair Depot of the Indian Air Force, and India is in the final stages to procure 21 additional MiG-29 UPG fighter jets from Russia. According to latest media reports, the DRDO has started work to produce a hypersonic platform that can travel at speeds of 2 km per second. The Defense Minister is expected to inaugurate a new facility, which will have wind tunnel for testing the technology. The hypersonic glide vehicles are more maneuverable, which makes their interception nearly impossible, even from the modern air defense systems. The test pilots and engineers of Hindustan Aeronautics are working on a next-generation unmanned aerial vehicle project named the Combat Air Teaming System. The development team aims to develop 3 distinct classes of UAV, including an armed glide UAV and an armed air-launched swarm drone system, which can be air-launched from fighter jets. The system is so compact that a Su-30 fighter jet will be able to carry 40 swarm drones. Fresh intelligence inputs indicate that Pakistan is testing various high-speed drones which have a higher weight lifting capacity, which means that it could be used to drop a heavier and larger number of packages in the Indian territory. Pakistan recently dropped 10 kg packages from Chinese agricultural drones in Punjab, and 8 sorties were reported to have taken place in September. India and Maldives will take forward several pending measures to promote defense cooperation in the next few months. The agreement for lease of a Dornier maritime aircraft for surveillance is currently being finalized, while 2 of the radar stations are functional, and the 3rd radar station is at an advanced stage that will plug Maldives into India's coastal radar chain, that will help to monitor the movement of maritime traffic on the high seas. The opening ceremony of the 2nd edition of the India-Myanmar naval exercise was held on board INS Ranvijay. The sea phase of the exercise is scheduled till 22nd October, during which an Indian Navy destroyer and corvette will be carrying out a joint exercise with naval frigates of the Myanmar Navy.